I think it's more like that way.
Like where Mexicans live. You do get that, right?
1251. That's the strip. That'd be a sick picture, like.
So cool. It's insane.
Is there anywhere else like over there you can take a picture of like of this place?
I think you can walk around.
Hold the city.
I can even get closer. Would you like it?
It's so stupid.
I just like flip all the way down. What are they buildings over there?
That? That's like more like Santa Monica.
Oh,
And that's like actually Los Angeles, and then right here is Hollywood. Wait, what are you guys doing? Don't you want to take in the view?
I love Russian fruit.
Hey. Huh?
What that? It's one.
Well, I want to take a picture of all. Sir, would you mind taking a picture? You need to shave your chest.
LA.
You're so full of crap. Don't be.
I shaved him yesterday. Not hot.
I picture your sister with the exact same legs.
I'm just kidding.
Fact.
No, I have my card. Oh.
Have you guys ever had kombucha?
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna buy them kombucha. I'm not gonna tell what it does.
Yeah.
No. Makes you crap. It's a.
That was a cool picture. Hard one. All Brooke is hips, really.
Yeah.
So what your face doing?
Five.
Oh, hell no.
Bacon Wardens.
That does look like that's. Oh my goodness.
Thank you.
That's good. That is. Macro wide angle lens.
Or you can just give it to me for letting it.
Video bowling.
I'll buy it.
That's a film, so we love
Yeah, how'd you have that little whistle thing in there?
You're so cool.
How do you do it? got it.
Yeah, whatever.
Now it's
Did you delete it?
Last video.
What? Believe what?
Umami
I don't
burger.
get it.
Actually, it's umami
I was trying to make
burger.
him sound like an idiot. Like I don't get it.
Quite nice, yeah. Starving.
What it is, what is it?
Alyssa, Peach. What's this? What's the sauce?
There's it's a house-made sort of mustard spread, and also our homemade ketchup on the very bottom.
Oh, it's super good.
So you just go on Pacific Highway?
Yeah, north.
North? Do you know where we go from here?
Yeah, you're just gonna make it your next U-turn.
It's not free?
Nah. Nah.
This is how we do it. Okay, Josh, just... So should I park in here or up there?
Back up there. Yeah.
What beach is this?
Go on Ocean Avenue though.
Better place
Ocean
up
Avenue.
Ocean Avenue.
Here. Yep, we can
I'm
park here.
blind. I don't know where to go.
Just go here. Sammy's? Sammy, how'd it get so dirty? It's the YOLO life?
YOLO.
This is so...
Already happened at the beach, and Jordan, you really good. Jordan, Susan's this part. It's the beach on there, isn't it? It's still
Probably, yeah.
Is it now 91210, I think?
Even worse.
I don't watch it.
Pretty much.
Pretty much.
Good enough.
But it's so hot. He's swimming.
Higher. Yeah. I don't want to go to work tomorrow. I just want to go straight to the beach.
Huh?
I don't want to go to work tomorrow. I just want to go to the beach instead. We'll be here in 2 days. Not here, but.
You hit that guy next to me. Ew, they don't shave.
I love that.
Yeah. Hey guys, yeah.
Use their legs, it's all their arms.
Cool, Matt.
I'm moving my legs the whole way. Two little monkeys.
Yep.
Now I really want
Actually, the most expensive bottle of Coke you ever
it?
drink. Yeah.
Oh, that smells fucking We will try not to smell it, Matt.
Do you want me to just navigate us home?
See it? I should have it again. I just need to get to the 5.
It's very nice outside.
Sweetest touch, I'm so happy you came in my life.